Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we've got our 2017 Ford Super Duty here in the shop, and we've shown you how to swap out the dim, dingy front blinker bulbs here on your Super Duty to something that's going to make your family much safer, plus they're going to look fantastic. And that is our MK2 front marker lights. These things are going to be extremely bright, plus they've got a great amber color that really kicks off the look of your Super Duty. The install is easy, and we're going to show you how it's done right now. Before we jump into it, please take a quick second to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps other Ford owners just like you find our content. Thanks, we really appreciate your support. Installing our MK2 blinkers here on your Super Duty on a gas model is extremely easy because we've got plenty of room behind this headlight assembly. Now, if you've got a diesel, there's a few extra steps that you need to take, and we've got PDF instructions online for that. So for this gas model, we're gonna reach right behind this headlight assembly, and right where our blinker bulb is, we're gonna grab the base of the bulb, and then with a counterclockwise turn, it'll release, and then we'll be able to pull it directly up. So this is going to expose our incandescent OEM front blinker bulb. Now you're going to want to be careful. If this has been on, they are very inefficient, so they will get extremely hot. This one's been off a while, so it's safe to touch. Now to remove it, we're just going to grab from the base and pull directly up. You can kind of wiggle it back and forth. Don't grab at the top or squeeze too hard. You obviously don't want to break the bulb in your hand, and it'll pop loose just like that. Now we're going to take our MK2 LED replacement bulb, and you just want to firmly seat it, making sure that it's not going to wiggle or move around. And then what we're going to want to do is take your key fob and just hit unlock. Oh man, yeah, okay, that is bright. Just to make sure that the bulb is going to light. Now if it didn't light, what you would do is take the bulb out, turn it 180 degrees, and put it back in the socket. Okay, so now at this point, what we need to do is we're going to set our socket aside. We're not going to put it back into the headlight assembly quite yet, because we need to hook up this F150LEDs resistor. Now what this does is it prevents any type of hyper blinking or hyper flash inside the truck, or the front blinker blinking too quickly. Because these LEDs are much more efficient than the OEM incandescents, when you replace them with LEDs, sometimes the truck thinks the bulb is out because it doesn't need as much wattage. And that's what these resistors help fix. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our resistor right under this hood mount pad. And the reason I'm going to do that is it's just a great spot that this truck has for this. I don't know if I'm trying to get it where the camera can see it, but by placing this resistor right here with just a couple screws down on this hood connector, or hood pad I should say, it secures the resistor in place. So that's a really easy way to install the resistor. If you want to mount it somewhere else, you certainly can do that. We include self-tapping screws, so it's very easy. But this is just a really easy, convenient way on the Super Duty without moving this much. Just a couple screws down, and it'll secure the resistor in place, just like so. Now what we need to do is connect our resistor directly to our taillight connector, our front blinker connector. So how we're going to do that, we're going to be using our easy quick splice connectors, and we just need to connect to the two outside wires on this harness. So first off, we're going to take our easy splice connectors here, and you're just going to insert the red end of this resistor into the opening here, like so. And then we're going to take some pliers and just push down. You'll hear it snap into place. And we're going to do the same for this side on our resistor. These are extremely easy to use. And basically it's going to tie this resistor in to the harness of the truck. You hear it click both times. So now we've got this open channel in on both sides of our resistor here. So it'll be a little difficult to show on camera, but I'm gonna try my best here. So we're just gonna take this blue side and run it through just like that. You can kind of push it in with your hands, and then we'll come back with our wrench. And we'll do the same thing over here on the ground wire, just like that. And now with your wrench, you push in, making sure that it's got that firm connection. You hear that click in. This side did not click in. Let's try that one again. If they don't click in all the way, they won't have that connection that you need to have.
slide this down a little bit. There we go. Sorry. Trying to show it to you guys on the camera here. There we go. You hear it click. That means it's got a firm connection. So as you can see, our resistor now is connected to the two outside wires. Now we can reinstall the bulb right back into the headlight assembly the same way that we took it out, except we're gonna use a clockwise turn to lock it into place. For the passenger side, the installation is going to be exactly the same, except we need to remove this air dam. So there's a push-in tab here, which you already removed, and then there's just two push-in clips on the side of this air vent. You push in and allow you to pull directly up. These are the two clips right here. You just push in and then pull up on this piece. And then we're going to do the bulb swap exactly the same on our passenger like we did the driver. It's a little bit more compact, but you still have plenty of room. So that's all there is to getting our MK2 amber front blinkers installed here on your 2017 and up Ford Super Duty truck. The camera doesn't capture how bright these are or how good an amber color they put off, but it's a great upgrade for your Super Duty, not only for the aesthetics, but for safety as well. So we highly recommend the upgrade. You can check it out at F150LEDs.com, where you'll find all of our custom-built LED lighting products built specifically for your Super Duty. We truly appreciate your support. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you at F150LEDs.com soon. Thanks, guys.